In some ways, it's the best of times, and some ways it's the worst of times. Why is it the best of times? Because since I left office 4 months back, never has there been such a public response for any political party as it is for my party today. So in that sense, it's for us, for a political person who's struggled for 26 years to raise awareness amongst the public, I think it is one of the best times for us. For my party, for me, it's very satisfying to see a politically aware public understanding issues, coming out on streets by themselves to stand up for their rights. On the other hand, it's a bad time in Pakistan because we are descending into fascism. We have a government which has no credibility amongst the people. We call it an imported government. The economy has tanked. Inflation has gone through the roof. It has lost all credibility. And so it is compensating by the lack of credibility, by imposing this draconian measures on us. They're clamping down on the media. They're clamping down against journalists. They've instituted various cases against me. One of them is a terrorism case, which is actually a joke. So it's bad in a way that the government is panicking. They're watching us grow in popularity. We swept the by-elections in the biggest province in Punjab. There were the 2 by-elections which we swept. So they're a bit scared, and that's why they're clamping down.